Hi, I'm Colin and I'm a Temple medical student, and today on Health ABC's Vaccines, a pinch in your arm that can make a world of difference. Before we get going, a quick note. This talk is created by medical students solely for the purpose of patient education and is not to be used as medical advice and does not replace seeing your doctor. Vaccination is a process that has been around for hundreds of years and helps us keep from getting all sorts of different illnesses. Vaccination teaches our body how to keep ourselves healthy. Our bodies have their own built-in defense mechanisms against germs and other things that can make us sick. If a germ gets inside the body, then we can rely on our immune system. These are groups of cells that patrol our body looking for germs that don't belong there and might make us sick. When our immune system sees germs in our body, whether it be viruses, fungi, or bacteria, they work to fight them off. These moments are when we feel sick. Our body's just working to fight the infection and get us healthy again. Sometimes our bodies may need a little help and we may need to go to the doctors and get medicine and treatment. Other times we just need a few days, some chicken noodle soup, and rest while our immune system does its job to keep us healthy. After an infection, our bodies do their best to remember what it was that got us sick and how to handle it. But what if there was an easier way? What if there was a way for our bodies to learn how to fight infections instead of getting sick? This is where we get vaccines. Let's think about it like this. When our body fights off an infection, they write a how-to book on how to stop that infection. Vaccines offer another way to write that book without getting sick. There are some different kinds of vaccines, but in the end, they all help us to write the how-to book that shows our immune system how to handle the infection. Vaccines usually either use a form of the infection that can't get us sick or a part of the germ that helps to teach our bodies what to look out for. It's like giving your body some of the pages of, or a slightly different version to make writing that how-to book so much easier for your body. This allows our body to learn what to do without getting us super sick. In the end, a little pinch of the arm leads to a long period of not getting sick. Plus, it's a great reason to get a sticker or a little treat after being such a brave patient. Here are some helpful links for more information. Thank you and have a great day.